This morning, our TV maitre d' visits a stylish Providence hotspot that he says will make you see our capital city in a very different way. Here's Joe Zito with this week's Quick Bites.
We're headed to a great stop, open year-round, where they're excited to kick off the summer of 2019.
Right here at Rooftop at the Providence G.
This truly is a beautiful setting. You know, when you're up here, you don't realize you're in Providence until you see the Superman building or, the view of Weybosset as the sun setting on the West Terrace. And really creating that after-work, early evening environment by bringing in live entertainment every night. A huge, newly expanded menu with plenty of new flavors and options. It's really becoming that destination to come here after work with friends or come before you're going to see a show or after you get out of the theater. And, something for everyone every night of the week. Have an experience. I think that's what we have between the ambiance, the seasonal craft cocktails, and the ever-so-changing menu. Go right to the website. We have our calendar there. There's consistency every week. On Mondays, there's always an acoustic singer-songwriter series. Tuesdays, we have Billy Musto doing live piano entertaining. Johnny Keys and Becky Bass on Wednesdays do a Caribbean soul night with keyboard and steel drums. More bands on Thursdays. And then on the weekends, we get a little more of the lounge environment later at night with DJs.
He's right. This is a summer experience to be sure. Don't miss this. For all info, visit rooftopattheg.com. And remember G Pub for lunch and dinner on the lower floor of the Providence G, offering fresh, creative comfort food, scratch cooking, 20 craft brews on tap, and wall-to-wall TVs. It's the ultimate sports brew pub. And there's hot, new Sardo on the first floor, a Rhode Island-inspired Sala Maria in Osteria, open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and cocktails. Oh, there's a lot to like, bottom to top at the Providence G, 100 Dorrance Street in our capital city. I say make it a part of your summer plans. For Eyewitness News this morning, I'm TV maitre d' Joe Zito with this week's Quick Bite.